Hey guys, today I want to talk about the different lenders available when you're trying to get a mortgage. So there are basically a few main types to choose from. They're the brick and mortar, the actual banking institutions that people have checking and savings accounts with, and that offer other financial tools like credit cards and car loans. B of A, Wells Fargo, Chase, Citi, local credit unions. Those are the main players here. So typically these institutions are a bit conservative, and they don't take huge risks when qualifying on home loans. Typically you're going to see less experienced loan officers that work at these institutions and kind of work their way up. So sometimes because of this, realtors and sellers, they're not always really excited to accept that offer from these big banking institutions. They typically, they do have fair rates, but they're very limited in their product selection. But if you have a lot of money with them, they might be apt to take a way bigger risk on you and provide you very attractive terms because they want to make sure you keep their money in there with them. So next are mortgage banks, which are similar to the brick and mortar banks. They have their own warehouse line to lend the money, fund the loans, and have their own operations staff for processing, funding, to underwriting. And because of this, they are very streamlined in getting deals done without certain headaches that can come up in the mortgage process, like delays, turn times, overlays, and mistakes, because they do happen. Examples of this would be Keller Mortgage, where I work, Rocket Mortgage, Loan Depot, Guaranteed Rate. These are all mortgage banks. They can also offer many different products, options for you, and get tougher deals done for consumers. Most of the top loan officers in the country, they work for mortgage banks because it gives them control over the process and it allows for smooth transactions for all parties involved. And finally, there are the mortgage brokers, and they act as an intermediary that brokers loans on behalf of individuals or wholesalers. They can sometimes offer very competitive rates and fees, but they don't have that direct control over the file like mortgage bankers and the actual brick and mortar banks do. So typically they'll work with different underwriters on op staffs on every file. Look, and that can make it difficult to ensure smooth transactions because they just don't know what that person's going to do on every particular file, where we work with people that we've worked with for years and many years. We know what they're looking for and they know what to expect from us. Look, there's no right or wrong answer on where to start your mortgage application. Go with someone you feel comfortable with that is taking the time to go over many options with you, allowing you to understand that everything that's involved. Look, we would love to start that process with you, provide you with some of the most competitive rates available, and have you fully approved up front to avoid any headaches and help get your offer accepted if you're purchasing a home. Call us today. We'd look forward to it.